How's it going, everyone? It's Lee again from Function Dynamic, and in today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and this is where Zoho Creator starts to get really interesting, because up until this point what we've been doing through the Creator Basics series is learning the ins and outs of Creator just to create a database on the back end from which we can store and view data and do simple workflows like emailing. Now, this is great for internal processes, but for a lot of people and businesses, they want something a little bit more customer facing. And the biggest one there is a website. And Zoho Creator actually makes it really easy to take some of the entities or forms we've built within our Zoho Creator application and then put them into our website, requiring very little, if any, code. So I'm going to walk you through the steps to do that. And what I've done to start off with is on my Vulture account, I've spun up a WordPress server. So now I have WordPress running there. Now, yeah, 2 cents. The links I go through for your viewers back home. But anyways, we got the doing that. We have a WordPress website on the internet right now. And for those of you who have worked with WordPress before, this is more or less what you get right out of the box, just a simple landing page. Now I've thrown in a contact us page right up at the corner, but of course, as you can see, that there is nothing there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a Zoho form and put it right into this page. Jumping over to Zoho Creator, what we can do is look at this application I've built out, and it is just a single form. Contact us form with name, email, a phone field, and a multi-line field right here. Pretty basic stuff. If you want to add in other fields, of course, you could just drag and drop that in there. But of course, for a contact us form, we're just going to keep it simple and leave it to these 4 fields. I'm going to press done. And once you have that set up, so setting that up takes about, well, less than a minute. Once we want to put it on a website or share it out to the public, what we'll need to do is go over to settings, and under users and control, we go to publish. And then we'll select the form from the application. So right now we just have the contact us form, and we'll push publish. And that's going to give us a few links right here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this first one. Right now we have the permalink and the embed code. So the permalink is a link you could send to anyone, either via email or through other anchor tags within a website. But the embed code is something that will make it seem a lot more seamless. I'm just going to first show you what the permalink looks like right now. And as you can see right here, it is just a basic form. So it's just mostly white. We have the contact us form here. Now, taking a look at this, we have well, there's a few issues with this. Number one, it shows that it is a creator application. And for a lot of people, we might just want to hide the fact that we're using Creator, or just hide what we're using on the back end. The other thing too is it is just a really long URL and messy looking. So it's not necessarily the most user-friendly interface there. So the alternative is to get the embed code right here. So we have the permalink and the embed code. And we're just going to copy all of this. And we're going to go over to our WordPress manager, go to the pages, and click Edit on Contact Us. And right here, what we want to do is we want to add some, I just saw it and I lost it. We want to add custom HTML right here. And all we have to do is essentially just paste it in. So I just press Control V to paste it. And we go to Update. And then if we go over to the Contact Us form, push refresh, we can see that the Contact Us form is right here, which is amazing. We have integration with between WordPress and our Zoho application. So I'm just going to show you, Lee. I'm just going to type in my name, email, and address just to show you what happens. So I'll just say I need help. Then if I push submit, say data added successfully, and then we can jump over to our creator application, go to access it, and then by taking a look into here, we can see that it was successfully added from our website into the creator application. Now there's a few other tricks we can do with this. Now I'll start off with the first one. We have Contact Us in the Contact Us form. We can actually remove this from the form, and to do this, what we'll do is we'll just take a look over at the Zoho Creator documentation, and you can actually edit a lot of the appearance using the URL of the embedded value. So we're just going to highlight this one because we want to display the form without a form header. I'm just going to copy this, go into here, and at the end of this URL right here, so before the single apostrophe, we're going to press question mark and then paste it. And then we're going to press update. Go back to the Contact Us demo. We can see that it is now gone. So it is a lot more seamless right now. Now, another thing we might want to do is, well, I'll show you again. I'm going to type in Lee. I'm just going to type this in here. We can see that data added successfully. It refreshes the form. This might not be the best user experience, and it might make sense to redirect someone to another page. So what we can do is I'm going to go to here. We're going to create a new page on the fly. Just thank you. And I'm just going to type in a quick message right here. Thank you for reaching out. Publish, publish again, and I'm just going to copy this because what we're going to do is we're going to create a workflow on the Zoho Creator application. So I'll go up to Workflows, create a workflow, and we want it on the Contact Us form whenever it's created, and successful form submission, and we'll call it redirect. And the script here is very simple. We just type in open URL, we paste in the page we want, so, and then we're going to do parent window, push save, and then X, and then done. So if we go to here again, I'm just going to reload this, and again type in my name, Lee Tess. And then if I push submit, it will redirect us to the thank you page, which is fantastic. The last thing that I want to touch on right now is we're just going to extend the workflow just a little bit, because right now we're redirecting, which is good, but now we might want to send an email either to the website administrator, being yourself, or the customer, or we could do both. So what we'll do is go here, I'll create a new workflow, and we'll do it on created, successful form submission, and we'll say send email. And we can do add new action, and we'll use a Deluge script with this. And if you recall from a previous video, sending an email is as simple as typing in send mail from, we can say from Zoho.admin user ID to, we'll just do email. So this is taking the email from the form, and we'll say thank you, and we have received your email. And what we can also do is we can send an email to ourselves. For this, we could say Zoho.admin user ID, Zoho.admin user ID. So we're sending it from ourselves to ourselves, and new form submission. And here we can type in a new message. You have received a new message from. And what we'll do is we'll just do email. So we can pull in any of the form details here. But for now, we'll just throw in the email just for demonstration. And I'm just going to put semicolons right there, push save. Now, when I am just going to go back to here, and I'm going to go to us, contact us. It's going to load the form, and I'll type in Lee test, type in my email. So I'm going to get 2 emails this time. And when I push submit to, well, 3 things are going to happen. Number 1, it's going to redirect us to the thank you page. Number 2, it's going to send the customer a confirmation email. And number 3, it's going to send the admin user of the Zoho Creator application a message notifying them that someone reached out to them. So I'll push submit, and then going to refresh my email. And you could hear from the buzz that we have a thank you email right here, and we have another email to the admin user ID. Now keep in mind, I use myself for demonstration purposes, so it looks a little bit confusing, but this is essentially sending off 2 separate emails and redirecting. So as you can see, this has been fairly simple to set up and connect, and it really requires minimal steps. Hope you found that interesting, and I'll see you in the next video. Whether you already have a Creator application, are looking to get started, or just want to have a one-on-one conversation to get pointed in the right direction, always feel free to reach out to us at Function Dynamic by going to www.functiondynamic.com. Click the Contact Us link and fill in the Get Started form. Once filled in, you will automatically receive an email with a link to schedule a time that works best for you. This was Lee from Function Dynamic. Thank you all for watching. If you found that helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.